there, I'm Sarah Maiga, your go-to real estate expert and associate broker of Maiga Homes with Keller Williams. If you're new here and interested in all things real estate, be sure to hit the subscribe button by clicking that little icon in the bottom right-hand corner of this video. I publish videos on a new real estate topic every week, and you don't want to miss anything. Today, I'm going to present 5 resources available to help you with your move to Ann Arbor. So let's jump right in. Resource 1, Destination Ann Arbor. If you're moving to Ann Arbor, then you'll definitely want to check out the website annarbor.org. This site not only offers a place for you to find upcoming events, things to do, local businesses that can assist you with your move, but they also put together an annual visitor's guide that is 50+ pages of valuable information, including maps. You can request a print copy or download the electronic version on their website. Resource 2, Get Downtown. If you're going to be working downtown Ann Arbor, transportation is a huge consideration. This website is great because you can select how you want to get downtown on their homepage, and it will walk you through the different options, the pros and cons, and any resources available for the mode of transportation you're considering. You can learn about bus routes, ride-sharing options, biking, walking, and parking options. They also have a nifty tool that allows you to sign up to be notified of construction happening in the city and provide alternative routes to avoid traffic backups. Resource 3, Ann Arbor Assessor's Office for determining property taxes. One of the biggest stressors of moving is not knowing how much you're going to be paying in property taxes. a2gov.org has made figuring this out easy for you. It will go over how property taxes are assessed and how to figure out your taxes. Resource 4, Washtenaw Housing Education Partners, also known as WHEP. These member agencies and state and federal partners offer numerous down payment assistance and affordable housing opportunities for homebuyers. Each program will require pre-purchase homebuyer readiness, education, and counseling. Here, you'll find all the local, statewide, and federal homebuyer assistance programs that are available. Resource 5, Your Realtor. This should be a no-brainer. If you're making a move, your real estate agent should be your go-to to help connect you with any resources you may potentially need throughout the moving process. As you can see, the resources above all hit on a different need, but it is not by any means an exhaustive list. You may need a resource for childcare providers, financial assistance, job opportunities, contractors for moving, handyman work, and more. So don't leave your realtor in the dark. If you have questions or cannot find what you're looking for, be sure to reach out and ask, because even if they cannot personally assist you, they're sure to know someone who can. Hopefully these resources will be of value to you when you decide to relocate to Ann Arbor. However, if you're not relocating to my service area, I recommend you search for similar services or offerings in the area you are relocating to make your move even easier. And as always, if you think you're within a year of making a move, give me a call and set up a consultation today, as I create custom moving plans for all of my clients up to a year in advance. If I'm not able to personally assist you, don't worry, I'm part of a global real estate company and can find you a similarly qualified agent anywhere in the world. In fact, if you haven't yet had a chance, please check out another one of my videos on why you should get a realtor referral for an agent when relocating. It will teach you all about how realtor-to-realtor referrals work and what to expect when you ask me for one. So be sure to subscribe to my channel today and tune in to next week's question, 10 reasons Michigan is a great place to live. You can also check out my other series on selling a home, buying and selling simultaneously, buying a home for the first time, new construction, and more. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.